How to send video from Cameraroll as a snap. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. Launch a Snapchat app on your device. And first, make sure that you log into your account. Now tap Turn On to allow Snapchat to access your camera and tap again Allow button. Once you have allowed all the permission for this application, you will simply land on the camera section, where you need to simply tap on the chat icon at bottom left corner and choose a particular chat to whom you want to send video from camera roll as a snap. Now tap on the memories icon at bottom right corner and choose a particular video from your camera roll. You'll get the two options for memories and camera roll. Simply choose camera roll and select a video. Now tap send button at bottom right corner of the screen and you can see that we have successfully sent video from camera roll as a snap. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe.